So welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a 3-branch development. So we're going to cut the profile onto 3 tubes. So we start with, we need the circumference of the tube. So easy way, wrap a piece of paper around where it joins, that's your circumference. Then using our 90-degree ruler, cut it off straight, and that will give us a wrap round that is the same length as the circumference. Then we fold that to make the quarters, so we fold it in half again. Stop folding after 2 folds, otherwise you end up with a paper plane. Open it up and we mark our 3 points. Wrap around, should be the same length as the tube. Then we create our quarter mark. So quarter mark, and we draw our line all the way around to give us a distance, so that when we're cutting it at the same plane. Mark the other 2 points. So next we need the diameter of the tube, so it's 60, so we need half of that, which is 30, and then we use that measurement to mark on the jaws of the saw. So with that marked, tube goes in up to the line, and then we put a quarter mark on our height. Tighten her in, and then we waz that off at 45 degrees. Job done, cut. So that's the one profile. Now we have to spin it round, so we spin it round a quarter, keeping it on the line. Line up the 2 quarter marks, tighten her up, 45 degrees again, and there we have. So we do that 3 times, which gives us 3 tubes. So 2 together gives us a nice little love art, showing the love to you metal workers out there. Clamp that in, and the other piece comes in, fitting all nice and snug. So finally we dress them up, ready for tacking and obviously welding, getting rid of that mill scale. So tacking with stick, the final piece in. So if you're interested in these types of videos, check out our welding video you can see on the screen now, which will help you weld this joint together. With it all welded and linished, it's finished.